Unlock your true riding potential with our exclusive private course. Dear riders, have you ever dreamt of mastering the pump track like a pro, or wished to tackle every twist and turn with confidence and finesse? Your journey to becoming an exceptional rider starts here. I invite you to explore our exclusive private courses available on golovectrails.com. With years of experience under my belt, I've had the privilege of training hundreds of students, transforming them into adept, safe, and fast riders. Why join our private course? Personalized attention. Unlike group sessions, our private course ensures you receive one-on-one coaching tailored to your specific needs and goals. Proven track record. Learn from a professional who has successfully trained hundreds of students, many of whom have gone on to become advanced riders and even compete at higher levels. Safety first. While speed and skill are essential, your safety remains our top priority. Our training emphasizes riding smart, ensuring you can tackle any track with confidence and care. Accelerated learning. Our focused sessions mean you'll see faster progress, helping you achieve your riding goals in a fraction of the usual time. How to sign up? 1. Visit golovectrails.com. 2. Navigate to our courses section. 3. Select the private course option and follow the registration prompts. Spots are limited, and given the individualized nature of these courses, they fill up fast. So don't wait. Unlock your true potential and become the rider you've always dreamt of being. See you on the track. Warm regards, Iztok Slapnik, Professional Riding Coach.